Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to the online platform of NIVS Home School. I am Mahmoud Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an English language class for class 2. Our today's topic is capital letters, full stop and question mark. At first, let's know what are the uses of capital letters, full stop and question mark. Capital letter. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A proper noun also begins with a capital letter. Full stop. A sentence ends with a full stop. Question mark. A question ends with a question mark. For your better understanding, let's have some examples. Number 1. Zafar is my best friend. Here you can see that the first letter of the sentence is written in small letter. But you have already learned that a sentence begins with capital letter. So we have to put a capital letter at the beginning of this sentence. Number 2. His favorite book is Tintin. In this sentence, the word Tintin is a proper noun. So we have to start this word using a capital letter. Number 3. Where are you going on Sunday? With this sentence, a question is made. We have already discussed that a question ends with using a question mark, but there is no question mark at the end of this sentence. So we have to put a question mark at the end of this sentence. Number 4. My uncle is getting married in June. This is like number 1 and 2. In this sentence, the word June is a proper noun. So we have to use capital letters at the first letter of this word. Number 5. I am going to Khulna. My dear students, can you notice that there is no full stop at the end of this sentence? But we have learned that a sentence ends with a full stop. So we have to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. Number 6. Their home is in Dhaka. I think this is very much easy for you now, as we have done this type of examples before. In this sentence, the word Dhaka is a proper noun. So it should be written using capital letter. Number 7. This is Mohit. This sentence is a little bit different from the other sentences, because in the other sentences we have found only one mistake. But in this sentence there are 2 mistakes. The first letter of this sentence is written in a small letter, and the word Mohit, which is a proper noun, is started with using a small letter. So we have to use capital letter in both the words. Number 8. What are you doing? This is also a question, and we have already learned that a question ends with a question mark, but there is no question mark at the end of this sentence. So we have to use a question mark at the end of this sentence. Number 9. Where are you going for summer holidays? This is like number 8. That means this is a question, and we will use a question mark at the end. Number 10. He is going to meet his mother in Rajshahi. Number 10 is like number 7. That means there are 2 mistakes in this sentence. At the very beginning of the sentence, there is no capital letter, and the word Rajshahi is also written using a small letter, which is a proper noun. So we have to use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and at the starting of the word Rajshahi. Dear students, that's all for today's class. I hope that all of you have understood the class very well. See you in the next class. Stay well and abide by your parents. Allah Hafiz.